Buddy, you've all seen the really cool industrial lights that people are making now with beer bottles and liquor bottles and wine bottles and whatnot. But I've never seen a video where anybody hooks it actually up to the bottles. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. First thing you need is this is a 1-inch electrical conduit compression fitting. And this is a rubber gasket. This is the key. It is, zoom in on that. See how that looks? It is comes out of a sink stopper. If you wanted to hold the water in a vanity sink. It's made by American Standard. It's 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch outside diameter, 5/8 inch inside diameter, and 1/16 of an inch thick. You might be able to find a different gasket that works better, but this one worked terrific. Then you're going to need a candelabra socket. You can get these online at Amazon for $5, or no, 5 of them for $10. And then you're going to need this all-thread brass pipe. You can find that in the these are 6 inches long. You can find that at Lowe's or Home Depot. And they thread right into the candelabra fitting, so it's already threaded. So you just push the wire up and it hides the wire and it looks really cool. Then you're going to need the same section where you find the all-thread pipe with a lamp and the lighting repair kit is. Just buy a packet of extra nuts. And then the last thing you need is a 1/2 inch just flat washers. The opening needs to be big enough to go through this 6-inch threaded pipe, and it will catch inside this. I don't know if I can see, if you can see that or not. Zoom in there real close so you can see where the washer is going to sit right on that. Can you see that, camera girl?
Yep.
Alright, so let's start. First thing you want to start with is the compression fitting. Get rid of this locking nut. Don't need it. Screw the other end off, and there is a little this compression ring in here. Get rid of that. You don't need it. So we just got the 2 pieces of the compression fitting. Now we want to take this gasket, put the bottom half of the compression fitting on first. Take this gasket, and it's kind of, the flange kind of tapers. You can see that. We want to put that side down on the bottle. Let's go ahead and, it fits real snug, so just go down kind of below the threads there. And then take your other half of your compression fitting. So that gets down in there. There it goes. And just tighten that fitting together. There you go. That thing isn't going anywhere. Nice and snug. Alright. Then you want to take your... I already got this one done, so I'm just going to show you guys this one. Put one of the nuts on, thread it through the wire, which you're going to put extra wire on because they only come 6 inches long. And then put the first nut on first, put the washer over it, and then the next washer and the next nut on there, tighten them together. And the further you thread this down, the higher up in the bottle this light fixture is going to sit, so you can adjust it. And then just drop it in. Oops. Rewind before you put that in first. Whoops. No laughing, camera girl. And then thread this through your wire, the other half of the compression fitting. And you can see once we tighten this up, zoom in on that. You see where it sits in there nice and straight. And then you can adjust the height because you've got plenty of room up above it. And then your next piece is going to be this. This is a reducer, 1 inch to a 3/4 inch reducer. And then this is just a short nipple. It's already threaded in there. And then you're going to put it through your wire. Screw that on and tighten it all up, and there you go. And you look at however you want to do your light and all your fixture.